Barbie, our beautiful, beautiful Barbie. Are you little Barbie girl? Oh, kiss, kiss. She's eating this really tasty chicken rawhide. No aggressive at all. Take it away from her mouth. Hey, Leslie. What's wrong? Leslie? Leslie, what's wrong? Oh my God, are you sleeping or are you faint? Oh, I thought you died. Huh? What's going on? Huh? Come on. Come on. Mama gonna go, come. Come. Come.好吧，妈妈去帮你睡好了，你想干嘛睡？
但是那个啦，
不是现在。
但是那个啊，明天要上课。
啊？对，今天3点嘞，那你明天要去上课啊？干嘛？乖乖来，快点擦来。儿子快点，看，看，转过来，你很久没有那个了，快吗？那你今晚上怎么睡？
明天要上课。
这样会不舒服了。眼睛有点痛，快点。Oh, my son's so big now. So big now. Hey, Barbie, come. Barbie. Barbie. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Look at that wagging curly tail. You got such a curly tail. You want to kiss her in the head? Huh? What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, you can't break that. Oh, you can't break that. That's a rawhide. You want to chew it? You see how it tastes like? It's a milky bone. Oh, bend it. I'm going to try this one, bending this one. Bend this one. Can I change it up? Leslie? Oh, you're so strong. Kiss on the head. She's eating the yummier one. That's a chicken one. Oh. Good Barbie girl.